Bodo Dimasa. Bodo or Bodo is a Sino-Tibetan language primarily spoken by the Bodo people of northeast India. It is the official language of the Bodoland territorial region and co-official language of the state of Assam in India. It is also one of the 22 languages listed in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. The Bodo language has been written using Devanagari script since 1963. Some scholars believe that at ancient time, Bodo language were written in the Odhai script, which is now lost. It is closely related to the Dimasa language and Tiwa or Lalung language of Assam. It is also related to the Garo language of Meghalaya and the Kokborok language of Tripura. The Bodo-speaking areas of Assam stretch from Dhubri in the west to Sadia in the east. In Alipurduar, Cooch Behar and Jalpaiguri and other parts of Bengal. The Dimasa language, locally called Graudima, belongs to the Barik subgroup of the Sino-Tibetan family's Sal branch. It is spoken mainly in Assam's Dimahasao, Karbi Anglong, Hosai, and Barak Valley districts, with speakers also in Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and villages near the Myanmar border. Dimasa has 4 dialects: Hasao, Hawar, Damra, and Zizua, of which Hasao is regarded as the standard. Although the language has no official script, Roman letters are commonly used, but literacy in the language is less developed compared to neighboring tongues. The name Dimasa itself means children of the Great River, reflecting the community's close ties to water and nature.
Se,
She,
Nui,
Gni,
Tham,
Tom,
Brui,
Pri,
Ba,
Wa,
Do,
Do,
Sni,
Shni,
Dain,
Sai,
Gu,
Shku,
Ji.
Ji.
जोंनि रांसाराव थानाय आफा, नोंनि मुङा गोथार जाथों।
Ho kapara tinglang pralang ningni. Nin bum katar. Hapsoni handen rao tongtar shang katar ning janjauting.
नोंनि रायजोआ फैथों, नोंनि गोसोआ रांसाराव जेरै बुहुमावबो एरैनो जाथों।
Nin hapai jina sapaiting. Nin hapai ni yaoi tai. Jin hapso hapu jating.
जोंनि जानो नांगौखौ दिनै जोंनो हो।
Nalai ni jimuke jina yao pasang.
आरो जोंनि गेनाफोरखौ निमाहा हो, जेरै जों जोंनि बेरेखा गेना मावग्राफोरखौ निमाहा होयो।
Mlai ni kezai keching sai kupalai. Kesawi jing kezai klaya pake sai kusang.
जोंखौ गाज्रि हाबा मावनायनिफ्राय जानहो आरो खैफोदनिफ्राय सग'। आमेन।
Hamya lama tangria iding. Skawo jing kripke hamya klaya rao. Niprang skawi dim kawi ding. Amen.